Welcome guys to our last tutorial for the shock assembly, whereby we are going to produce the castle nut here of the nominal diameter 104 and thickness 60. So now I'm going to launch my ProE. And I'm going to set the working directory, and I'm going to create a new file here, and I'm going to name it castle. Done. And here I'm going to write my name. Okay, so I'm going to start by sketching the hexagonal shape from the front plane. So I'm going to choose the hexagonal shape from the palette option, and I'm going to sketch it here, and I'm going to modify these dimensions so that I can get the distance across lines, which is 104. And I'm going to align this point to this axis, so I'm going to use this option, which is done here, and here I'm going to put a distance of 0, and I am done. Now I want to produce a hole of diameter 50, which is drilled hole. So I'm going to enter the circle, and I'm going to enter diameter of 50, and I'm going to select done and extrude both sides here to a distance of 60. I'm going to enter a distance of 60 so I can preview this. So I am done. Now I want to produce a radius of 20, whereby I want to remove these edges, these corners, to make them smooth. So I'm going to select the top plane here. So here I can flip. I'm going to select my reference, and I'm going to enter the circle circle command, and I'm going to make this circle tangent to this reference line, and also this circle tangent to this reference line. Okay, so I've used this option. Now I'm going to enter the diameter of 40, and I'm going to choose the center line here, and I'm going to draw a vertical and a horizontal line, and I'm going to remove all this material, and I'm going to enter the line command, and I'm going to draw something like this, and I'm also going to select the geometric center line, whereby I'm going to define this as my axis of revolution of this part. So I'm going to select done, and then I'm going to select option revolve here. So I'm going to remove material, preview, done. As you can see, we are done. Now we want to produce or to remove this material, which is of thickness 10 and height 25. So I'm going to do this for each and every surface. So I'm going to select this surface, sketch it, going to select my reference, and I'm going to enter the rectangle command here, and I'm going to enter my dimensions, which is of 25, 5 here, 10 here, and I'm going to select done, and I'm going to extrude, changing directions to the next surface here so that we won't waste much of time. So I'm going to remove material. So let me preview. So we are done. Then I'm going to select the surface here. So I'm going to do the same. Something is going on with my mouse. So I'm going to select this as a reference and also this one. And I'm going to sketch the rectangle, and I'm going to enter a distance of 25, 5 here, and 10 here. So I am done. Now I'm going to extrude this, change direction to the next surface. So I'm going to remove it so I can preview, and I'm done. So I'm only left with this surface. So I'm going to okay. Let me just do this and $25 here, the half of 5 of 10. So and here I'm going to enter a distance of 10. So I am done. I'm going to select the extrude option, change direction up to the next surface here, remove material so I can preview. So I am done. So as you can see, I've managed to produce the castle nut. So I'm going to save this. So now we are done with all our components. So see you in the next tutorial whereby we are going to assemble all of the components that we have drawn. So see you in the next tutorial for the shop assembly.